Potatoes gon' potate, taters gon' tate, and haters gon' hate. We're at the Franklin Institute Museum today. It's called the Franklin Institute Science Museum. Let me show you guys the front. We're in a section called Your Brain. Your brain. So the blue is low activity, the yellow is high activity. The network of cells and neurons making connections. Whoa! When he feels a vibration, he has to pick up his hands and feet off to see how fast his neural response is.
No, that's just...
How's your feet?
I lifted it up. That's...
I feel like you have to take your feet all the way off.
Yeah.
Oh, if you do squint your eyes, you can't see Marilyn. Turn off right side peripheral vision, turn it back on, off, on. So I press this one. I turn off right side vision. On. If I press this one, I've turned off the left side motion. If I press this one, I've turned off hearing. Keep going. Oh yeah. Jump, jump, jump on them. So if you have one person lay down here, you see how this room looks, and it's very like weirdly placed. And then Surette, show them what it would look like if you were laying down. Hold it more flat. You see? Does it look weird? Oh.
Okay, here's the last phrase. This one is the hardest. It uses the r, sh, and h sounds. Whenever you're ready up.
Noise. Yes. Noise. Yes. Hey, not bad. I just really emphasized it a lot.
Ready? Here comes the next phrase.
Go ahead and press it.
आपके नाम क्या है?
Oh my gosh. आपके नाम क्या है? I know this one. Yeah. Similarities.
आपके नाम क्या है?
Fingers.
आपके नाम क्या है?
क्या है?
Oh my god, today's weather is stormy, and as you can see over here, the moisture is moving. The moisture is warmer at this air mass, rising humid air, cool, drier air. It's all moving that way. We're gonna be okay. Lots of rain, flooding is coming into the area. You can see as the cars drive through. Make sure you're driving safely, as you my house. Yeah. We got food to eat. I got a sirloin burger and he got chicken tenders. So this thing, you stand here and then it detects how much blood you have in your body by your weight once you press the button. And mine filled up to 18 cups and Subret's filled up to 26. You're gonna see it fill up again. And look at how much filled up.
I think it was this much.
That's a lot.
I got a lot of blood.
26, man, look at that. Different heart sizes. Wow, human and ostrich. A porpoise. A lion. Lions is smaller than a porpoise. A cow, that's huge. A polar bears is smaller than a cow's. Look at this. Mouse.
That's not the hippos.
Hamster, chicken, squirrel. That's a hippo. A horse. Elephant. Yeah, a beaked whale. That's where we are. This is really cool. Now we're here. We're all the way up there. See, now we're here. To the body. So that's for clapping hands in the nervous system, wiggling your toes, knocking your knees, breathing deep, and having a heart attack. Each flicker from this means that a radio wave has passed by. That's a lot. It's a moon rock.
It's not for me to say you love
Wow. So this is what summer is gonna look like with the sun. As it goes over the top. You can see it on the shadow there. All right, then autumn, and it shows the dial here. And autumn is a little more sideways. And then winter is super low and the shadow's longer. And then spring is similar to autumn, where it's that middle part. Pretty cool. I built my train with a 19th century engine pulling coaches, and now we're gonna go to Chicago. So Sprint's got a magnet train pulling coaches going to, is this New Mexico?
New Mexico.
Yeah!
It's not for me to say you love.
Legodelphia. You're supposed to spin it, see? Try that one first. Surrey, you can go higher. Come on. That's all? You could at least do 9. Okay, you can easily get 9.5. Okay, try 10.
You sure you can do it?
I can't run and get I want to get the satisfaction of hitting it.
Yeah.
How am I not able to get 8?
Set, go.
They don't click all the way.
The button.
.67, that's pretty good.
Yeah.